Hi, in this quickie, we're going to have a look at fixing phone numbers. One of the common problems I get in Excel is people say there's no zero at the front of my phone numbers. And generally, it's because Excel thinks it's a value and thinks that zero doesn't affect the value, so it steals it away from you. Even if I tried to manually type the zero back in again, it just takes it away again. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your column is formatted as text. If I click onto the column heading at the top, so just the letter E, it selects the whole column all the way down. And on your home tab, you'll find a little drop down that probably says general at the moment. And I'm going to scoot right to the bottom of that list and choose an option called text. And that has now made my phone numbers text values, so I can put in zeros or brackets or spaces or whatever I want. But if I want to fix all these existing numbers, assuming you know none of them have got zeros at the front, I can use a function called concatenate or concat to stick the zero back in again. So if I go to my formulas tab and choose an option called text, there is an option on that list called concat, and I want to have a zero at the front and then the phone number. And can you see it's glued the phone number back together again? Now when I do my little double click with my little black cross, it's filled all the phone numbers all the way down. Top tip, however, I want to copy that data back onto the original phone number list, because otherwise I'm going to have two columns of phone number. So I'm going to right mouse and copy, or you can do Control C, whatever you normally do. The paste needs to be a little bit different because it's a formula at the moment. I don't want to paste a formula into this column. So if you go to your home tab, choose your little drop down underneath paste. It's this little kind of clipboard with 1, 2, 3 that you're looking for that is called values, and that turns your formula into a value now. So now I can safely delete this whole column. Excel is still having a little hissy fit. Can you see I'm getting all these little warning symbols because it doesn't think that they should be text, but I can just highlight the lot and say ignore error, and then it gets rid of all those warnings. And that's basically all you need to do to make sure your phone number column forevermore now allows you to have leading zeros at the front. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for loads more useful tips and tricks for Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc.